Alright, this video today I'm going to show you how we're going to get back into our game in RPG Maker VXace. After you start a new project, when you click into My Documents, it automatically, without you having to do it, makes a folder that is going to keep everything in there for you. So I clicked into My Documents, and in here I found the RPG Maker VXace. There's your practice. We're not going to work with our practice, we're going to work on our final project. Okay, I double click in there and it's got some folders that you don't need to worry about. And it has our game.exe icon. We don't need to click into there because we're not going to play anything right now. What we want to do is we want to go to our editing mode. So we're going to go work on our project. We're going to double click here. Okay, it opens up the program. When it does, it gives you basically a tile set and it gives you a blank map. Okay, it gives you the title of the folder that you saved it in and what your map name is. Okay, what I want you to do is you're going to create this first map for your final project. Okay, so to do that you might have to make some changes to the tile sets up there because these might not correspond to what you want to do on your first map. So to do that, I go right below and I open up map properties. When I do, it gives me the name, and I again instead of just map 001, we're going to change it, and let's say this one is starting map. Okay, so this lets me know this is where I want to start. My tile set is field. Well, maybe I want to start interior, and then I want my width to be a little bit bigger than 17 by 13. So I'm going to change it to 20 by 20. Don't have to worry about the scrolling type or any of the graphics or anything like that. And then we just press OK. Then when you go in there, it gives you a different tile set. Okay, the first thing really you should be thinking about is putting down some sort of foundation to walk on. Okay, so I think I'm going to choose this guy right here, and again you can either choose the pencil to click and drag automatically, or you can do the flood fill, okay, which is this icon. Now if I do that, it only does to this area. This checkerboard will be part of your game, but if you don't fill it in, it will show up as black. So you need to make sure and click in this area too, so the entire part is taken care of. And then you'll go through and you'll add your different tile sets to make this look like some sort of interior if that's what you're looking. Again, that is up to you. Okay, a lot of the tile sets at the top on tab A towards these are the ones you're able to walk on. If you ever find that you playtest your you end up playtesting your game and your character is stuck, it means that you might have used some tile sets that were actually used as maybe walls or something that the program sees as you not being able to walk on. Okay, so if that's the case, you might have to switch it out and try some other tile set to walk on. But again, then you'll go in and you'll add your different tile sets to make this look the way you want to. Again, if I want to add a second map, okay, I come up to where your title is, I right click, and I either do a new map or I load a sample map. Okay, if I load a sample map, it gives me all these choices here. Okay, so maybe I'd like this as one of my sample maps. So this says mine entrance. Well, maybe I don't want it to be the mine entrance. Maybe I want to name it as just mine town. Okay, so you can make changes here. The width and height probably are going to stay the same as what they are. Okay, and then we press OK. Okay, so you can add things to this sample map just by clicking and putting them in. But that is the way we get in. We add maps and we change the height and the width. So I hope this helps.